In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload JSON in Trello. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. If you're already signed in, you'll see all your boards at a glance. Click the board where you want to bring in the data. Before you import, it helps to think about which list on that board should receive the new cards, because you'll select it during the process. At the top of the board, open the Power-Ups menu. This is where you add extra features to your board. Choose Add Power-Ups to open the directory. In the search bar, type import to board JSON for Trello. When it appears, click Add to install it on your board. Once the power-up is added, close the window to return to your board. You should now see an option to import JSON either in the board header or within the power-ups section. Click Import JSON to launch the importer. In the importer, drag and drop your JSON file, or click to browse and select it from your computer. Trello will prompt you to choose a destination list. Pick the list you identified earlier, confirm, and start the import. The tool will create cards based on the contents of your file. A few tips to make this smooth. Make sure your JSON is valid and formatted for Trello-style data. Files exported from Trello or templates that follow a similar structure typically work best. If the file is large, the import may take a moment. Keep the tab open until it finishes. If you don't see the new cards right away, refresh your board view. Also ensure you have permission to add cards on that board. If you added the wrong power-up by mistake, you can return to the Power-Ups menu to remove it and add the correct one. And if the cards land in the wrong list, simply drag them to the right spot afterward without affecting the content. Keep in mind that attachments, labels, or custom fields may depend on what the importer supports. If something doesn't come through, double-check the file format and try again. And that's it. Open your board, add the import to board JSON for Trello PowerUp, click Import JSON, drop in your file, choose the target list, and let Trello do the rest. Follow these steps and you'll bring structured data into your workflow in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.